过来修一个空调，然后他好像感觉到有点热风还是冷风，好像是温的风，但是呢好像又有点热风。我现在呢把它关掉，我查一下是不是 capacitor。哦，这是一个比较老的一个空调，很老的一个空调。这个还是一个那个叫什么来着？活塞式的，这是一个固定版的。我现在打开看一下，我给它打开了，你看这个吸下去了 ，OK， 这说明有信号电。你看这 capacitor pop off yeah 90% chance the capacitor is bad OK yeah 90%以上是这个 capacitor 坏了 OK now I check which one is for this one okay this one is for the compressor okay let's discharge it oops okay and then remove this one okay let me check it should be I couldn't see it's supposed to be 40 okay it's supposed to be 40 let me see 40 right now probably it's there okay now let's measure the capacitor okay see capacitor is bad supposed to be 40 right now it's a 0.040 yeah capacitor is bad okay then 40 and 5 okay I will let the owner know okay I'll get a new one 40 for the compressor 5 for the condenser fan okay now I'll take the old out okay it's there so this one see the pop the cap yeah that's a very typical symptom for bad compressor see normal capacitor so for the normal capacitor see it's a flat now it's pop out okay I put the new one in and take the old one out okay let's see it should be the problem because it wouldn't start the compressor okay oops now let's turn on and feel the air should be warm now yeah now I can hear the compressor noise okay see it's hot air right now okay yeah okay yeah compressor is running now 压缩机转了，我听到压缩机的那个响声了。OK, now I check the freon. OK, check the freon to see if the freon level is good or not. Okay, put the cover back. Now we check the freon level. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's check the freon level. Okay. 34 psig right now. Okay, yeah, it should be okay. A little bit low on freon, but it should be okay. Yeah, a little bit low on freon. Okay, yeah, low on freon. Probably see this temperature, the copper pipe temperature, the suction line should be below 65 degrees. Yeah, it's too high. It's too high. We need a couple pounds of freon. Yeah, it's kind of low. Kind of low. OK， 那现在他让我给他冲一下氟利昂，我刚跟这个主任联系了。OK, now I will start to charge some freon. OK. OK, let's charge. Then put it on 0. OK. Now, see, when I charge it, you will see the pressure going up. Okay. See now the pressure going up. Okay. OK， 这种该冲好了，你看。上面都是这个冷凝水，你看 the condensed water, you see the condensed water. Okay, see, so okay, 我冲的稍微多了一点啊，这是charge a little bit more, so because a little bit leak, so I charge a little bit more, so the superheat is kind of a little bit low, but it should be fine. Okay. 1.5 pound. Okay. Yeah. You see the condensed water. Okay. 1.5 pound. Okay. Okay. This is running good. Before I leave, I normally check because it's an old unit to make sure there's no leak from here. Yeah, there's no leak. 然后每次你走的时候都要 check 一下，因为这是老的那个 unit， 它有可能从这儿 leak. Okay, there's no leak. That's good. Okay, see the condensed water. You see?